Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to rotate a video on Davinci Resolve. So if you want to rotate your video or a clip in Davinci Resolve, this is how you do it. So first you need to import a clip on your timeline, something like this, and go to Inspector. And once you're here in Inspector, you'll see this option. You need to go to Video, and then in video go to transform, and here you'll see the rotation angle. So in rotation angle you just need to drag the mouse to left or right, and you'll see that the video clip is rotating. So you just need to select which rotation you want, and that's how you rotate a video on DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.